Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 1 and I'm gonna show you the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open the camera app, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to change it, and we can do it by tapping on this button with the mode here. This gives us access to other modes available in this camera, and one of this is the manual mode. So when we tap on this we get access to it, we can open the pro mode. This gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments with photography. So let's start. We start with this settings bar here, and the first one button here is the focusing. So here we can change it from the auto to the manual by using this slider, and this is how it works here. And when we want to go back to the autofocus, we simply tap on this here. And let's go to the next button. This is the shutter speed. So here we can change it. We can pick from 30 seconds, which is very long, and as you can see it should suggest us this icon with standing human, and we can pick to 1 4/1000 of seconds, which suggests us the running human. This is very long. So this is the pretty wide spectrum of it, and this gives a lot of possibilities here. And of course, to go back to the auto settings, we simply tap on this here. The next one button here is the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and we can pick from 64 ISO to the 3200s of ISO. So also this is the pretty wide spectrum, and to get back we tap on this simply to the auto. And the next one here is the exposure compensation. So here we can also control the light of our picture, and by using this slider we can make it just more bright or more dark as we need. This is how it works here, and the auto settings are here in the center. And the last one button here is the white balance. So here we can control the temperature of our picture, and we can pick from the cloudy light, daylight, white fluorescent light, and tungsten light. So this is how it works here, and the auto settings are here. And other useful thing is that when we adjust it all manually here, and we want to go back easily to the auto settings, we can simply tap on this reset button, and just by one tap go back to the auto settings here. And now let's move to the more advanced settings, which are here in the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open it, and these are the camera settings. And in the pro mode we have the manual settings at the first position. So some of them are also in the standard camera, and for attention I think this is useful mattering. So here we can change it from the face mattering, multi mattering, center weighted mattering, and the spot mattering. This is useful here. Also the soft skin effect is very good here. When we're taking a portrait we can just make it more beautiful here. We have also the lens correction. So by tapping on this we can automatically correct distortion or the image quality. So this is how it works here. And that's all. We go back to the standard camera, and I'm going to take a picture now. And let's go to the preview. So that's all. This is how the pro mode works here. This is all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.